enye nipa no qualification and I say experience and I say how the Jumediad is known. They send ya working on your share, you party card class a crown. And any Jumedia be what was a guadu ya active room. It's on the crony, but you want to see Nicono and have a baby won't Nicono. Ultimoso come back now. Vocalista or Thai Bemanichi and Thai Obanichi pa. And no some miniatures and people will stand against it.
Abusia for me ma obibia akwaba ede eba too much GH so gana wahala jumede ena muso for muni aba epesi kapa mede eba besom mo na ene de ide je se ensam no se de ebobo eba na abusia for eni aye nya ye papa eye the late infantiman MP eye yan kasa yen papa eye wonabo ekwaw kwansa Hayford emra eye wo ye enam ye atorenchema eto no emra chese okopeke ye ni nomination form such as oko submit ya wonam kwansom wo ba obehia ya akonferenfo a wo mo eto no echese abubo ni to ewo ne yemu a enunti no wantimi anka eye atasefo ho a echese woto anananom ewo eye ensedo no wo wu ye sede yenim se nipa ewu aye nka no echi asembo ne nansuso wo wu ye ensem a APP efri nachi ede edoso papa enumu ena chese ya ba beti se eye ye nua be ma na yam papa yi MP chese wo sanso krampo ewo eye second wife ewo honomu a wone no krampo esanso ewo emamu eye mienum na abusuafo eye Sarah Hayford emra na wotweda no edru ya na se emra papa nu ewu ya nanim ebebeto abonten se wono ene the second wife ede Emma eye Mr. Hayford no na dodo na so ye side check enya obi a ya ware no ne onye sei na chese na ama abaya no ne guafu na koma aba Emma chese na wotweda no ene wode ne wedding certificate ekokopie mu ewo eho ebi na eye yenu aba no ekokopie mu ewo eye kasapa FM wode nchiremu etudwa no chema chese eye yenu aba ma wanya ne baby kwa na ye papa wanya ne baby ko eye ekwawi ohunu that was 2009 na enumu na papa ne ka kire ne se wono woni yire sesei esanse woni ne yira wo hono no wo mo ayeden ejai eno na chese ehye ni crime man ye se ne sade a wono susu ene papa no ebetena ma papa ne behu na busuafo ma wono susu ko hu abusuafo ma chese bibia ekode kwanso wanu ewano ema eye 2013 ye June 8 womo ed woma ware no ehhehye eye eso ama sesei de woni eye papa no ewo emamu mienu na samre no ne papa no ete eye takwa womu mienu ena ebom ete that was 2016 ena ahomatrofo yi so chese wokonya akọ wo so nkonkotia ye nuaba Ophelia wono ena the first wife of papa ekom wo frɛ ka che ne se wono aware no enya de se woni nukum naja yi wo moda so eware enti na baya no wonpɛ ne sese bi na wonkonkɔbɔ no ba bi foforo kra na enya nukum enche ne no na baya no su kyire mu a wo frɛ ekwa wo fo ne wo mo twetwe nkomo ka che se sei na akono mo se no kre eyampa na nsuso enam se ya ware wo no yenimo se wo nsuso oye ne yire entiema emohunu na nsuso na watweda ne dru ye no ekokopie mu ho no manaje sa asabusuafo no eyi nani ede ama wo no ene ne mananka at least wo mu show se wo no nsuso no wo ka wo mu bia wo mu eja emu ede ma na abusuafo ensam no emu no dodo na ebobo eba chese se krampo de ye nuaba Ophelia na ye ma me Ophelia wo mu ehwe se papa ekwa anasa wonabo ekwa eni won mo numom ena wo mu di no esi na namu se de be ya wono no betu franka ne de ama na no be ye MP no e de ama o mo wo infantiman no na ebusuan for still youth ne wo hono ente ase ama kwakọ ekoye ensem bebre na ebusuan ensam no dos mi twam ho me ba me di bi ba kam ho.
Too much GH. We did that Japan. A break PM Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody GDB. Madam, I say love you.
Too much GH. We boy wate. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH. Me did the Isaac.
Mesanso emamo akwaba ebiem ebusuafo se de ensem no ekọ no me wo menuaba eye mesmesical ewa hanu ma me ne no ebetwetwe eye nkomo afa eye the late ekọ he for nensem abeto edwayi ehuntikan ho ne mbowura ensem no emu oba mesmi mo akwaba
sika meje oso
bibi abokodi
ya me adom na wonso e
na me adom me ye share ya cho
ayo akwantu ya
de radiance so de wakwa beduru eye asundwe mu wo hwe eye nsensem a ebobo eba te se eye NEC for SC eye mame eye Ophelia the first wife of eye Mr. Hayford Omasino say wono na represent eye Infantimine oye MPC no emfama wo mo a te se youth no ebi emo enju so ebi no susu se wojaya aware enti eye ma eye the second wife no a wono otene nche no wono mum enembe represent ebi no so se de ebi wo mo ntiase empo obi fofra obetimi sustain eye seat ni dia mo se de nyoma ekonde na betimi aka fansem no
yo menuaba sika na me sure no question what to the amame na first of all me gina akonye so echia too much etiefo ni ahwefo ni nana inchi etosu mienu enkoma director director wanje unchia ena inchi etosu mi ese enkoma mama Juliet dani da mirami kitchen ya nene makayo na sika when it comes to relationship any ejuma they have nothing in common. Feel the bia any nipano train ya why then wakomu na ye papa ekoya we free mu pia wo ye no it has nothing doing with the wife te koba se ni kun ma ne lecture efa ne juma o ye ekra ho a when it comes to training me sure say wa fa training mu a o ye qualified edema that kind of position na yedema no Ghana ha akoye say at times omoma system ni looking like system no any law and our system no call under ruling like anyhow without guidelines and all that. Okay, first of all, before I'm asking the Benyan, so person we say Ghana ha say wukunu ye MP to say be a first lady and our president ni free wa the best person to replace the president the wife
running mate ni dinisi
exactly. When it comes to MP so wo mujumedi a wo mudi ojire so e wo jumedi a wodi enti ojire no ejumedi no se onu onko training mu no ni passion ema post na wo mode na kwa kwashe ona kire se obedile Ghana as say she is not experienced she can add more efiance Ghana benyamre atete no say Ombeye you can say perfect and not a professional for that field na just say Ghana dani da ye coin radio ye simple cra whoever is qualified and your experience near one what pray for post ni be pen near no nimudie and I think say they will be the best person say ombeba be jinemu as MP enye na yewe
okay
because ni yewe Ghana ha access say no na ye trending ekoso me kai say mri bi etwemu ye MP bi sa be free mu ma yes Nigeria na okojinemu there be ye wolo obi say e wo Ghana ha say MP free so and the wife na medi ade e wo ejuma mu ejuma de anka profession ye de ko so wait here one dey sika entwe ye na sa oyi pani na ye ka se de ko there bi ompo obi a owo nimdi a ejuma no obetumi ye dani da na Ghana ye be san ye chi and ye dani da na Ghana ye de ye tete no at times see you say we have to develop with speed okay we shouldn't go with sympathy as a way sympathy ni kuna wunti no ewumo bronti no ni e de na ba be hye me no adwuma no see started from scratch church and your say
ewo mi ntwa no say ya uni wukunu etia anase wukunu eye MP ewo amanyoko does it mean say wo oban because so wo kunu ye MP nintina na say wo join eye amanyoko nintino wo so join asa amanyoko na because ebia na obeye onye MPP ni because eye youth no omo e concern omo de ba ne sem wo mu hu maame no on the campaign field da wo mu ni say wo eye the card of eye the party so wo nie na omo de ni esi a nti bezi mi hu say obi ne bema etia na say wo ne bema e ware am party a eye bema ne wo no eye na ye compose so oba no so wo ho bia no nti wo free ho ye betimi de na di ade ama na ye yana
there be enye compulsory say party a wukunu wo say wo be di do kra wo share party a odi djuma a ni djumedi esu ani no enu na ese wo so enu na bebre Ghana fo bebre eni eyi awari fo bebre eye sa mistake na esa say mawari wonti say wo pa odonti there be say wo donti na ye di enwoma bebre ma enwoma tosi e na wo hwe ne ye we ya ebe koso na eye sympathy nti akoye se wodonti enye nipa no qualification and I say experience and I say how the Jumediad is known. They send ya working on your share ye party card class a crown and ye Jumedia bia what was a good ya do active home it on crown ni majumani sin yukono and have baby abe nikuno be huno ultimo so ye come back now vocalista or tie Bemanichi and tie Obanichi pa. And also, many shows and people will stand against it. Okay. But we will share or your wife.
Okay.
And when it comes to Bemano Ejuma, she's not committed. So if she's not committed and they are choosing her to be MP, and not just say not contrary with the law of Ghana. Okay. And I say the sympathy and the nipa sem and I did you my sounds well also dani da emboa or mine I senya whom you know send a can because we they will share our real no be our losing cry. It has nothing to do with Ghana ni Ghana Jumedie. I see a do piece and I'm sick can on or qualify ye sympathy ni floor. Ye see any nukono in Buebia I say a yamo bomu a some de buano. Send your bar no the nin time no one the Obama the Busian no dear a chasse Ghana for support but and yes say a Juma Jumedia you could need the chinchina Obano and your committed salmon from Peno me number the show. Okay, enter the accommodity no ever a enemy na yen share a year at the ebino so at the placard be brave and then I'm mountain so or my or more say no woman no vote now no woman no vote no much much say a the second wife no and I am fano and ye fano replacing a year Bema and no and fa Emma a year woman. It's washam a year and may you mean a be a pray a year just any easy for a press a depending mum and a AC not a mebonus so as you say Yamfa a year ketuan mum and insino. Who ne senka and Maya and I say Yama Minuno and common jai position and from ma obia obey me at this one. I say so now woman pray or woman. Yo miniaba second wife no how na omunimono omunimune say party no oye dimo was support party no because they say a professional how ye nka say first wife and a second wife nia wo ye active wo party ni mo wo botaye wo nimudie wo vision che say people are aware say obetumi aye no me did say no about that side then I make an genius one say is the person compatible or deserve it. So we do no why they active war politics no why no involve it why now no the person is known on the Sanu Juma the ideas the vision and no when it comes to that selection among them na they are or no ye nimu for the nimu die ne se wo mboa magana no die nini na won betimi choose na dem betimi ka say first wife na say oni nim die oni botaye bia oni mo hwe e na say biko ye MP ni choose me no I don't think so no qualify na ketwa no so oni mo ho hwe omo na ni mo hwe ye pack omo ngu nchen na omo nyina ni mo hwe ye pack omo ngu nchen ye pack omo ngu nchen na ni adwuma no obetumi aye no Yemfa my in Chester Ghana ha family country. Yes, it has nothing to do with family. We should deal with people who can do their work and do it well because politics a dirty sound game.
Okay.
And you need to be very smart. Otherwise, hey, you bet me after no chena watwa ni kunu so.
Okay.
Are they ready to take risks?
Okay.
Any easy sao. Say you kunu free. Who say kunu kunu? Are you ready for that? Because politics there power. What power can let people do no? If you have the heart, so when you have the heart of Yasantua,
okay.
Ready to die, say the truth and die.
Okay.
Are they ready? So
okay.
They should be ready. You know, akuma as whether I die, I will stand in for Ghana. I will let the vision of Ghana come to pass. You know, if it has nothing to do with them, I won't spare one. Yes, and choose someone who is ready to play the game.
Okay.
Game as in losing or gaining.
Okay.
You know, politics there, whether we like it or not. A dirty sound game. You would have one have to win and one have to lose, and that one you have to have a heart of a lion.
Okay.
It's here in Bayou me a beya. Omo mani akono nani onkomenim. See and kakra ukro ye no unsaso mo a hwe wabra boso na hwe wo kona na titi we bushia na nya MP ni bi free na nya president ni bi free me gidi se omo yesa omo beni ache since omo di omo be bata politics a omo nim ne tuem.
Okay. Oba message dey nkomo jijie no eba eye na wie ya enisa wo hwe eye abaya eye yemia the second wife yi na nsem odi bebetu dwafa de eye abusuafo no se de ase de wo mayi wo mani ede ama no ne eho nkro ne ba ebia eden na wo betimi akafuto ben na wo betimi de ama eye yemia no mu a wo mo ekwa awade wo mo ekọ beebi na ne be menye hia na me pese me nware o majai me yire dada na ne o matu eye atare be ma no ondwen say eye no kure den na kire say ampa wajai me yire den na kire say ampa wone oba bia ente futo be na de be ma wo say dey say wo how be say e bi enkonkoto wo
yo aya eye sa na ekoso aya be ma no omude adwen kese ne nam na mban bebere be kase minim obi wo wa woni.
Okay.
But eye be ma ni sika wo wo no so ba be dibi no eye den ya onim but obi onu so be ku na so egusu say o play along with Bearman.
Okay.
Say ne be ya ne onu so pe no ne nsa be kan but ni na emu no ya o how we chi o how ni bi ni once ebusuafo na mota Bearman echi ba ye wo so ni we ni so ade hu ahu ya udidi echire ware no se se ni so ade no eni wo bi mu se se Bearman no we free mu na ebusuafo nso a wo mo ba ye no obi apebe bi ade wo omo betai we chi na ye ma se se abebi ade wo ne ye first wife no ono na oye no na chese ade wo esi a oni Bearman ne nete ye ka properties bi a abemu properties den yo ono na ade wo na so eso hu se ye den a wo akoto so second no sa favor na favor na first one ne wo no ebe din se ubenya equal part because amount for perception wo kra ne se wo second wife na wabeto so one dream sebe because Bearman wo jire na wabeto so de na dream born na de be ye den o de beto so intimi de future ne be ma obi a se we a young lady aya to wo bo ube hia wo so ne wo de obe ware wo se echire okoye basabasa kra wo echira we first wife aba mami ni kun ko ware wo echete ye kra Bearman de omtimi ye bibia secret pa na oba ni nim so many years ansa na ohun afre lady second wife no sanetie ba ni na echi na nkoye second wife no there be ema wani ndawo who say first wife for wa Bearman pen asem na still say meni na jai me waro there be dada bi say ko ba say you choose between you people I mean I come to Bearman hey or coin obe choose the first wife no correct perfect na make a chira no obe choosing the first wife on family commitment or catching promises then any ban wo so awo no wa bra bo be ye wo basa agi se wa wo sa ko search for o man o bema o so na wo de enti aya ye nto ye bo na ye benya ye de me gidi se emre umredu a empa wo ho da since ye na ma nya ye peka krenti ye so bi wo sika na ye tare no ene de ye mfa mo ne oba awaware no ida se bia ye be ku ntem ana se da chi bia bema na obedi wunyambo ana wankasa wabrabo no bu weni go to sika na wo penti no ebedi wunyambo ama ye kase wo da kra wonda enso na ye too late for you enti ye ma ye ninda wo na ye menche si de enya ye dia
oba mesi akasa bebe onu se ye menye nua be de ye hia ni se dia uja na ani ensem no obewuru ni nyina de go entwa na no aye nyampon ye abusiafo ye nkomotwetwe won so wadwe nchefa eho ye se japade ho apria position ho apria ekotwe edise ekoso ewo wo mo entem na de na wo hwa wo hu ni se ebetimi aboama eye pepepe ye etimi akoso for wadwe nche ebra ewo Tuma GH comment section like a videos na share betimi follow ye we IGP ya Tuma GH_ Twitter and also at Tuma GH_ Facebook Tuma GH_ ubenya eye all just and say information I should be a ewo me di dwumadi ho cha me di e de akria sika padasane ye besane share
me di Isaac Odwampo obetumi afem the great tempo mbrembren wonu me nka mo ni ehwe too much GH mo ye too much na me so me ye amo fire
too much GH we boy what shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching too much GH.